Easy Solar Kit, a portable PV kit developed by the professional energy storage solution supplier TSUN, provides convenient and efficient power generation through the combination of PV module and microinverter. The Easy Solar Kit is made of 4 parts: PV module, microinverter, backplane, and pedestal. TSUN microinverters have a wide range from 300 watts to 1600 watts, fully compatible with mono and poly solar modules. 96.7%, the max efficiency of TSUN microinverters, leads each PV module to its maximum power output, and the low DC voltage guarantees home electrical safety. The Easy Solar Kit synchronizes with the life cycle of PV module. The optional accessories make it more applicable to different installation environments. Moreover, optional intelligent monitoring is recommended. Foldable and extremely portable, the Easy Solar Kit can be placed on flat roofs, in balconies, or even in gardens. The all-in-one design makes it easy to transport, distribute, and install. Pulling the module, the bracket, and the base of the kit will form a solid support. The angle of the bracket is adjustable through preset scales. Simply placing the module face to sunlight, connecting one end of its integrated cable to the microinverter and the other end to the socket, the system will automatically start working. Two kits can be connected through interconnection of microinverters or the bases. End users can DIY systems all by themselves, saving much time and labor cost. Easy, convenient, and cost-effective is TSUN's vision to store the future. TSUN will be continuously developing new technologies, providing more flexible and economic PV solutions for the benefit of the planet.